Ian from Lee Media. Here's how to order transparency labels from print provider Avery.com. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So in other videos, I've shown you how to actually order the codes from Amazon Transparency official website. This is the step where you actually have to get them printed out so you can apply them to your whatever item you're sending into an Amazon fulfillment center. So this is Avery.com. It's one of Amazon's Transparency's preferred providers for this particular service. And I'm going to walk you through uploading the codes, choosing which size, and other details related to ordering Amazon Transparency labels for the Amazon Transparency program. So Amazon will provide you with some links to the different providers. This is the link that Avery uses, Avery.com custom printing transparency over label. And then once I come to this page and I've logged in, you should create an account. You're going to choose between design in labels and over labels. Over labels are basically stickers. Design in labels are basically incorporated into the designing of the package. So I'm not doing this. I'm doing the over labels. This is important. The size, height times width. So the standard square 1 1/4 inch transparency labels, that's the default. But for my particular business, I use this type, rectangle label type 2, 3/4 of an inch by 1 3/4 of an inch. And then it refers to the transparency app. There's a separate option which refers to the Amazon Shopping app. I don't choose the Amazon Shopping app because I don't want all my products which have this transparency label to be branded with Amazon's shopping app, because I'm actually encouraging people to purchase this item from other places other than Amazon. So I just choose the transparency app. And then you choose the number of labels you want printed. 1,000 is the default. So if you choose 1,000 of this particular size, it's $66.50 or about almost 7 cents a piece. However, I usually order 5,000 at a time. I get a price break on that. So update the quote, and you can see the price drops to about 2.5 cents a piece. So I'm going to choose that one. And it also says I qualify for shipping. It's in the United States. Click next step. This is important. You need to upload the code. So I'm assuming you've already created the codes on the Amazon Transparency website and you've downloaded them. Now you need to upload them. So it's a very simple thing. You can drop your code file here. So actually, I created 2 sets of transparency codes today. And one of them was for 10,000. The other one was for 5,000. Make sure that you drag the right code file to this particular window, because if you choose the wrong one, it might mess up your labels or cause some other problem. So this is the one that I ordered. That's 5,000 labels. I'm going to just drag it right in here. And it gives you the transparency brand ID. I'm not going to mess around with that. I'm not even sure what that is. The SKU lot. This is a number that actually I created when I created the codes, and it's this number right here. And basically what I do is it's the SKU, the first 6 digits, and then the month and the year that I created the codes. Number of codes. This is correct. And let's keep on going on. So this gives you a preview of what it will look like. And again, transparency codes, they're not like UPC codes, which are the same code across every single one of that ASIN. For transparency codes, it's a unique 2D barcode for each unit of that ASIN. And the idea is it makes it nearly impossible to pirate goods because it requires a unique transparency code on each one. Name your design. It gives you a default. I never do that. I basically create a special name that I'll recognize later on if I look at it later on. So this is the name I'm giving it, Blue 5000 1223. And blue is basically the coloring of the package. So when I look at this, I'll know exactly what it is. And then I'm going to I'm going to click Finish. All right. And then choose hand applied or machine applied. So this is hand applied. And then this is the total for that item. If you have any other special printing request, you would type it in here. But I'm just going to add it to cart. And then I'm going to basically have it sent to my supplier, who will apply these stickers on each one of the ASINs going forward. And basically that's how you order the transparency stickers. For more information on the program itself, if you go to my website, leemedia.org, click on blog and then search for transparency, you'll find this particular page that I created a while ago, which explains exactly what the transparency program is and how it works. Thank you so much for watching.